Here's how I create a really nice, youthful, glowy skin, everyday makeup. Starting off with Super Facialist Skin Perfecting Primer as the base, blending in all over my skin. Then putting on some concealer, IRL, Filter Finish, C9.5 and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic number 8. Just to let it sit there for a bit before I go in and blend. Putting on some mascara. Currently my favourite is the Makeup Revolution 5D Whipped lash one. Then obviously filling in my natural brows. I don't like to define them in 3D formats or anything like that, just filling in the gaps, making it very nice and natural. Now blending in the concealer that I've applied underneath my eyes and just around my forehead and nose area. I just wanted that coverage on those areas. Now going in with my Pixie On The Glow bronze. I really like this, but obviously I have to put on a powder brush just to make it set and last a little bit longer. I need to share that brush with you guys, what I used actually, because a few of you have asked. Then going in with my lip product, which is the Sculpt by Amy Undressed Lip Duo Lipstick Pencil and Lip Liner. Is such a nice shade. It's in the shade Naked, just double checking, yep. Then going in with my Pixie. This one I just like to do just to make my eyes pop a little. And then that's it, literally I am done. It's such a beautiful look everyone could create.